I'm Mindy Lockard, and on today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are whipping up an easy post-Thanksgiving turkey pot pie that will have your leftovers giving thanks. I think we can all agree that we can only eat so many leftover Thanksgiving dinners or turkey sandwiches. And so today's recipe for turkey pot pie is gonna mix things up and use every last leftover. In a pan on medium-high heat, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it starts to warm, then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour and mix well, making our roux. We're going to stir our roux until it starts to turn a golden brown, and toss in 2 chopped onions and 1 cup celery, cooking until they're soft. Gradually whisk in 8 cups of turkey stock. Now pouring in slowly is important because it will keep your base from getting lumpy. Now here's the part that I love, and this is where we basically clear out your refrigerator. Tossing in about 5 cups of veggies. Corn, sweet potatoes, peas. Continue to stir until the sweet potatoes are soft, and then season with salt and pepper. Now we're going to toss in the turkey. White and dark meat makes this pot pie extra delicious. Allow the soup to simmer on low heat until the stock is reduced and thick. It usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Ladle into a dish and then top with your leftover stuffing, or our stuff and muffin recipe that you can find at marketofchoice.com. Sometimes I actually double my stuffing recipe and set it aside just for this recipe. Then bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Once your turkey pot pie has baked, you can scoop individual servings into a large bowl and garnish with herbs. You and your family are going to love this. The day after Thanksgiving never tasted so good. Remember, the best place to connect with your kids is in the car and the kitchen. For more Gracious Kitchen recipes, visit the blog at marketofchoice.com.